Hi, so I want to show you how to replace this with this. It's the window insect net, the outside one, and these ones are quite hard to close, and they also tend to break because of this extra force. So you can just replace them with this. These are just cabinet magnet. They come with like this, and they open quite easily, so no more breaking. Plus, there's nothing to break in here. And they also just close without effort. You just touch them, and even if the window gets up, you forget it open, just the wind might close it. Because if the wind pushes this close, it will just stick and remain closed compared to this, which will never close. It requires too much force. Another extra point I want to make here, they normally ship these with screws like this. But I discovered that especially the inner side, so especially this side, this part, because it requires quite a bit of effort, they tend to, you see this one, it's quite loose here because they don't fit so well into the aluminium. So I suggest you use an M4 with fine screw like this, because this will go inside the aluminium very well. Ideally, you would want to use something like this that has also a tip, a sharp tip that goes in. Okay, so now let me show you the magnetic one. So you see, I've just replaced the one here with a metal part here, and the one here is just the magnet, and you just only need to lightly, you can even do it from here. You see, and it snapped. It takes a bit of effort to open it, but the closing is zero effort. The way you do it, it's pick the smallest magnet you can find. Some are bigger, but even this is the smallest one. Look, it's compared to this, it's almost half. It's quite, I'd say, too strong, even this one, but this one it's fine. Okay, so you have two parts. This part is mounted on the frame, on the outside, of course, and this one on the net. So you replace this one with this. It will go like this. You can use one of the original holes and then drill another one in the aluminium frame. You see this one, and the problematic part is with this one, because this one you'll need to replace the one on the frame, this one. So I prefer not to drill another hole. You can just do that with this one, and it will be fine. You can even maybe fill the whole hole with some silicone. When you go to your hardware store to buy these, you can find them online or put a link, but you can find them locally in any hardware store or home improvement, Home Depot or something like that. Also look for these metal brackets, and take one of these you already have. Be careful because these sizes vary, so they're not exactly the same, so better take the one you had on your window, and try to find some of these metal brackets that will fit on your holes. You see, this one fits exactly on this, but it's a bit off center on this one, so the screw will go at an angle, not straight. So you can just check, but look, for example, this one is just perfect, exactly identical. The one I showed you is just because I didn't know how to do it at first. I just bought one a bit bigger, and I just drilled two holes, so that's why it's a bit stranger mine that I show. But this is the best version, so you only need to search for this to replace them, and it's straightforward. Or you can just drill new holes for these ones, and that's it. Okay, hope you enjoyed this. like and subscribe if you want to see more.